Joint pain keeping you from enjoying life? What if I told you that 5 everyday foods sitting in your kitchen right now could reduce inflammation and ease stiffness faster than most medications in just 1 week? Most doctors won't tell you this, but research from Harvard proves these foods work as effectively as pain pills. Naturally, today you'll discover the exact foods, how to use them, and why they're scientifically proven to calm joint pain in seniors over 60. By the end, you'll have a simple 7-day plan to start feeling relief. Let's dive in. Number 1, turmeric, the golden anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that blocks the same inflammatory pathways as ibuprofen. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to warm milk, smoothies, or soups daily. Pair it with black pepper. It boosts curcumin absorption by 2,000%. A 2021 study published in Therapeutic Advances found turmeric reduced knee osteoarthritis pain as effectively as NSAIDs in just 3 weeks. This means less reliance on pills and more natural relief for your joints. But turmeric isn't the only kitchen staple with shocking anti-inflammatory power. This next food is something you probably throw away: broccoli, the cartilage protector you're ignoring. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound that protects cartilage and stops joint degradation at the cellular level. Eat 1 cup of steamed broccoli 4 times per week. University of East Anglia research shows this amount delivers enough sulforaphane to reach your joint tissues. In a clinical trial, patients with knee osteoarthritis who ate broccoli soup for 12 weeks experienced measurable reductions in pain and improved mobility. Unlike medications, broccoli actually repairs damage instead of just masking symptoms. Now, if you want faster results, this third food works in as little as 48 hours. Tart cherry juice, the 48-hour inflammation fighter. Tart cherries are loaded with anthocyanins, antioxidants that reduce inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein. Drink 8 ounces of 100% tart cherry juice, not cherry-flavored cocktails, twice daily. Studies show this dosage cuts inflammation markers within 2 days. Oregon Health and Science University found that women with osteoarthritis who drank tart cherry juice for 3 weeks experienced significant pain reduction and improved joint function. Athletes use it for recovery, and now seniors are discovering its power for chronic joint pain. But here's where it gets even better. This next food fights inflammation from the inside out. Wild-caught salmon, the omega-3 joint saver. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, that block inflammatory chemicals called prostaglandins. Eat 4 ounces of wild-caught salmon twice per week. If you dislike fish, take 1,000 milligrams of fish oil supplements daily. A 2017 systematic review of 20 clinical trials found that omega-3s significantly reduced joint pain, stiffness, and swelling in rheumatoid arthritis patients. Many even stopped using NSAIDs altogether. Omega-3s don't just ease pain, they help rebuild joint health over time. And finally, this last food is probably already in your pantry, but you're not using enough of it. Extra virgin olive oil, the Mediterranean secret. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, a compound that works like natural ibuprofen by reducing inflammatory enzymes. Use 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily. Drizzle it on salads, vegetables, or dip whole grain bread in it. Italian research on 365 rheumatoid arthritis patients found those who consumed the most olive oil had significantly lower disease activity scores and less joint inflammation. This simple switch from vegetable oils to olive oil could be the easiest change you make, with the biggest impact on your joints. There you have it, 5 science-backed foods that can erase senior joint pain naturally. Turmeric, broccoli, tart cherry juice, salmon, and olive oil. Start adding these to your meals today, and within 7 days, you'll feel the difference. Your joints will thank you.